Come on, come to daddy, come to daddy. Okay. How far are we?
This says we're only at 25 feet.
All right,
no, 21 feet. So
we gotta go to the next one.
All right.
So it's Friday morning. I'm very tired, excuse me. And we are at the Wellington Preserve in Wellington, if that wasn't apparent. We live in South Florida, and there's not too many buildings that are high, like 20, 30 feet high. So we're gonna do a drop test today for Casetify Ultrabounce. Let's see how it does.
So go straight across the bridges.
Yep.
That's what we're gonna have to do. We just, when we get to that thing, we take the bridge.
Yeah.
That's it.
No, that wasn't it.
When you don't have any buildings in your town not taller than 30 feet, you have to go on a wilderness adventure.
Ooh, what was that? Oh, I don't trust that. No way, Jose. The Chicago boy ain't getting in there.
Bird out there.
Oh, yeah. Quack, quack. The tower.
All right. Is this to do the measuring up here? Tell me where to go.
All right, drop down the measuring tape.
What?
Drop down the measuring
okay.
tape. Come on, come to daddy, come to daddy. Okay. How far are we?
This says we're only at 25 feet.
All right,
no, 21 feet. So
we gotta go to the next one.
All right. So it's supposed to be 35.
32.3.
Okay. Okay.
All right, and on 3, 2, 1.
Turn it on and drop it?
Yep,
Just like this?
just like that.
Ah! Ah! I'm coming. Ah! Okay, is it messed up? Oh my gosh. Get it?
All right, yeah, get it.
All right, well the phone is on
All right,
and
recording, hold on.
the phone is on.
All right, so take out the case.
Okay, and it's raining.
What, it look good?
I think so.
Oh my God, I did it. Awesome. Let's see the bottom.
Yeah.
Or get out of the rain.
It's raining. See?
That's
One
awesome.
thing is like the case got it smacked up against this pillar.
That is awesome. So we have gotten sidelined by the storm, and we're two Floridians who did not bring. Ooh, wow, that's even getting.
It's brisk.
It's brisk for sure. So, what did you think?
30 feet up is
Yeah.
very high.
Yeah.
And
I'm Laura with the weather.
yeah,
We're doing a weather report.
yeah.
You can move out of the. I mean, you,
Yeah, no, like no matter where you stand right now, it is a little downpour. It was exciting. I was very worried about the phone, but it is totally fine, even though it whacked like the asphalt and slammed into the pillar.
Yeah. Fun stuff.